Carmen is really an unstoppable force of nature in this opera, and what's interesting is how she uses song as a weapon of seduction. Now, she manages to escape from prison by serenading Don José, and he's powerless to resist, and it's then that she seizes her chance to escape. And her songs, she often talks about how love is, she calls it l'amour est un oiseau rebelle, it's a rebel bird, it cannot be tamed. And this is really what Carmen is in this opera.
When Carmen was first performed in 1875, I think she would have seemed a much more dreadful character than she does today. She goes from man to man with apparently no thought for their feelings or for consequences of her actions, whereas I think in modern times we're much more able to see her as a strong, independent woman who's willing to follow her ideals and who wants to live by them.
Carmen is incredibly popular, and it's all because of this fantastic music that Bizet gives the characters and the chorus. So you have this kind of French style of the dialogue and then the singing, this kind of heritage of the opéra comique where the opera was first performed. But you also get these kind of very Spanish melodies or these Spanish rhythms as well coming into it, particularly with that habanera that Carmen has, which is taken from a Spanish-Cuban cabaret song of the time. So it's really got this very interesting mix of the exotic but also very dramatic French grand opera.
This is an opera all about individual freedom, sexual freedom, the freedom of a woman to decide what she wants to do. And her freedom, of course, is a very provocative freedom and indeed inspires her to be killed because the man in the piece, and like most men actually, can't really deal with a truly liberated woman. And so it sets an agenda about personal freedom, which is still very, very topical today.